Now, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from Philanco Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Just a little bit, ma'am.
As long as you can communicate with your employer, we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, better stay in the Philippines because there is no point that you cannot communicate with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, madam.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure? Later, once you reach here in Malaysia, you will tell me, Mom, I have sister here. No such a thing. That's why
No, ma'am.
in our
I don't
initial
have,
interview,
madam.
I am asking you, it's either you have your friends or your family members here.
No, I don't have, ma'am.
Are you
Don't have.
healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy for now.
Okay, so if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, madam.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I have I need to be a future of my children, ma'am, and I have make a new house, build a house.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Abigail Briones. I am 31 years old and I have three kids and also I am married. My kids is two boys and one girl.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. You are married.
Yes, ma'am.
You are 31 years old. Okay, when is your birthday?
December 20, 1993.
December 20.
1993, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2" po.
Your weight? What is your weight?
5'4" po.
That one is height. 5'2" or 5? Your weight is 54.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your height is 5'2".
Yes po.
What is your religion?
Catholic po, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate po.
High school graduate. You mentioned that you got two kids, right? How old are
Yes.
those children?
My first baby is 12 years old and second is 11 and the third is 10 years old.
So three. You have three
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
I
Two
thought
boys
it's
and one girl.
okay, 12, 11, and
And 10.
12, 11, and 10 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is a farmer, ma'am.
Okay, how old is he?
37, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children later?
My husband, ma'am, my family, my sister,
How many brother and
and my
sister do you have?
I don't have brother, ma'am. He's dead. But I have three sister.
Okay, what is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
The third, ma'am. Third.
What about your parents? How old is your parents?
My father is 52, ma'am, and my mother is 60. But my mother is dead, ma'am.
Okay. So you mentioned that this is your first time working abroad, but instead you have your working experience in other countries. Can I know in which
Yes,
countries
ma'am.
do you have your working experience?
Yes, ma'am. I'm experienced in Saudi Arabia po.
How many years you were there?
2 years, ma'am. Finish contract po.
Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
Oh, I started, ma'am, is 2021, and then I go back to the Philippines is 2023.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Saudi? What is your duties?
Um,
What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
okay.
What is your responsibilities?
My responsibility is work. I work for cleaning the house, ma'am,
Okay.
and then my employer to cook her food
Okay.
and take care of her mother, ma'am, and
Okay. So
then.
did you do the laundry and ironing?
But I don't.
So did you do laundry and ironing inside the employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
You mentioned that you take care an elderly. How old is the elderly that you take care?
Eldest, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care? Is it the elderly or the old people you take care or the children?
The old people, ma'am.
How old?
I think is 72.
Female or male?
Female, ma'am.
Okay, so of course you finish your contract. What happened? Why you
Yes.
didn't continue working with this employer?
Uh, it's a big, big problem, ma'am.
Sorry?
Didn't me a give monthly salary, ma'am.
Sorry? What is it again?
My salary is did not give
Didn't give your
month and
salary. The employer didn't
yes,
give your salary. That's why you didn't continue working with them.
yes, ma'am.
After 2023, do you have any working experience or you are a full-time mother until recently?
Yes, ma'am. Didn't work na anymore. 2 years.
Okay, so being a domestic helper is very tough job. This is not an easy job, okay? You already knew
Yes,
it in
ma'am.
yourself as you already got experience in Saudi. You need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here is
Yes,
very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, there is no joke. So you need to prepare yourself, you need to get ready yourself. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. In Philippines, you
Yes.
can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. And if there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. If you cannot handle your job, you already know what will be the consequences once you terminate your contract. You need to compensate your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 2 years. what will you do, or how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I work, ma'am.
You work
I
and what?
work. I work in their house.
So what will
No
you do
more.
if you miss your family?
It's okay, ma'am. If I gonna use my phone, I'm going to bed. It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much and have
Okay,
a good
ma'am.
day. Bye.